Alright, got Bayliner 175. Picked up from my friend Mark, Pastor Mark. Traded a station wagon for it. Started on the project about 2 years ago, and it was sitting at a friend's house, but I decided to take it up. It's now sitting at my house. It's current condition right here. 2004. Trailers are rusty. Got new wheels for it. $350 from each trailer, $90 shipping. Gel coat's all messed up. There's a big crack in the front. Started grinding it down with my friend Reese. Bunch of work to be done. Even that tongue right there, or the hitch, it's pretty rusted out. Just gotta do some repair work on that as well. So for my goals, I first gotta put it on wood blocks down so I can take the trailer out and work on it, get the rust out, put some reinforcements. Yeah, then I'm gonna do the old axle springs, beams, get those things all fixed up. Rent a welder, call my friend up. See, fix the bunk flanges because they look like they're pretty wore down. Add the lights, new winch. Oh yeah, new tires, 350 from each trailer. Got the exact same ones. The old ones, they're all bust up. I think they're galvanized. And I got a jack stand because the other one busts up. $50 from West Marine, pretty easy to install. I think you can find it cheaper on Amazon for like $30, but I don't really need that thing, so I just went down to West Marine and picked it up. It's like 4 bolts for the attach it to the frame, and then you got another bolt for the wheel and then one for the handle. Super easy. The brackets, you gotta make sure it's flush against the frame and not what's the word, those two sides right there, they're not not touching. You want the flat side against the frame. Yeah, so I put it on the right side of the frame, which I have to take it off later because better position I think will be in the front. Where the tongue sits. There we go, finally got it release. Pretty easy install, maybe like 20 minutes. It's easy to push around the boat now. You can fit another car in the front. Before that, it was just on bricks. That's it for part 1. I'm gonna be showing you power washing the boat, part 2. Shoots.